Welcome back, YouTubers. Welcome back. This is Matt Marcotte. I'm here in Glenwood Springs. If you ever wanted to hike Hanging Lake, you now have to go through the Glenwood Springs Welcome Center and get a permit. Otherwise, you're not going. And then you got these buses behind me that take you there every 45 minutes. And book it in advance, otherwise it sells out quickly. And you get one of these beautiful things, and you're off on your way. So come and join me on this beautiful hike. So after about a 15-minute bus ride, you arrive at the parking area that used to be for the general public. But it's nice to be the passenger for once to enjoy the Glenwood Canyon view. This is the Welcome Center where they drop you off. Hanging Lake hike is about a little over a mile and 1,100 foot elevation gain one way. And it can be grueling for some, but most people successfully do it. You need a lot of time. The reason for all the regulations now is because people tend to ruin Hanging Lake by walking on the logs, swimming, photo shoots, being dumb. That sums it up pretty well. Society gets too cute with what they think they're entitled for, so that's just my blunt speaking. This is my buddy Shawn. What's up, Shawn?
What's up?
Right behind us is the trailhead for Hanging Lake. Don't be fooled by the parking lot. You walk about a quarter mile. Got a makeshift ranger station because they will check. So Hanging Lake trail starts straight up right from the get-go. Be ready for that. So if you come in the springtime, you get quite the flowing river, and hopefully you don't have to pee on the way up, otherwise you're kind of screwed. But during the summer months and fall, this river is pretty more tame than what it is right now. About halfway up, at the half-mile mark, you have a bench to sit on and a nice waterfall to enjoy the rushing river going down. If you're new to this, take a minute to catch your breath. As you can see, I'm pretty winded. And then continue on, and you're halfway there.
Oh yeah.
gonna lie, the last half mile straight up, it's like walking a bunch of stairs in an office building. In comparison, maybe, if not worse. But you can do it. Get out and hike and have some fun. Incredible. So if you want to go to Spouting Rock, is that way.
What do you want to do first?
Hanging Lake is that way. We'll go check out Hanging Lake. Catch Spouting Rock on the way down.
Right on.
Look at that. Welcome to Hanging Lake, everybody. Crystal clear water. Right back there is called Bridal Veil Falls. Not the original one down in Ouray, but pretty remarkable. Well worth the hike. So I can't get over how empty this place is at about 9:30 in the morning as we have our snacks and enjoy the place all to ourselves. Here, have a look. No people.
Not a bad place to have breakfast.
Yeah, definitely a good place to have breakfast. Even if the park rangers are hanging out with us. Keeping everything in line. I love it. Yeah, don't walk out on that tree for you. If you go further up, right around the corner as I spoke earlier, in the Spouting Rock, it's probably raging pretty good. So, let's continue on. So it's quite wet over there. I'm going to put you away and try a different camera because I can't get the Osmo Pocket wet, but man, if you're here, use a GoPro and walk behind the waterfall. So we made the run for it, and man, it's so loud in this little cave. If you look around, just enough of a hole to stand behind this waterfall. And you can get wet. Totally worth it. Careful on the way down. Stop and enjoy the moment though. Video does not do this justice. Careful if you're afraid of heights. I don't recommend it. So we're a little behind. So I'll catch up with y'all back at the bottom. See you then. Welcome back. So going down that trail, you definitely want to take your time. It's very slick, muddy, and rocky. So if you got hiking poles, if you feel like you need them, bring them. I don't recommend trying to video, or let alone, unless you have a GoPro, we'll put it that way. But anything, you need your hands free, and that way you can catch yourself if you slip or even fall. Be careful. Definitely get your permit, $12. I don't see any success on people making it up here, because they do have the forest rangers sitting right at the front entrance of the trailhead. And gorgeous day out, as you can see. Hope you enjoyed. If you like, hit that comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and there'll be more adventures to come. Thank you for coming along on this journey, and see you next time. Deuces.